Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt Growers. I'm your host, Timothy Holt, and today we're going to try to get this fence gate put on. Yep, the one back there. The fence is hung, it's stretched, it's ready to go, and we just need to get the gate on. So stay with us. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You guys know what to do. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'd love to respond to you. And without further ado, we're going to get this fence gate put together with a time lapse for you. And get out and grow something today. Alright, the fence is finally finished. The gate is in. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know. Feel free and leave a comment. We're going to tour the fence right now and show you some of the features of it and why I chose this fence. So, there's the gate. Part of that time lapse, the camera was moved and we had some delay there, but it cut off the bottom part of this. I did use a couple blocks of wood as spacers to give it the elevation so it swings easily. So let's check it out right now and give you the full tour of this new southern fence. Should work pretty well. So, nice, wonderful gate. Should work really well for keeping the chickens in and predators out. We got a little latch right there. It's pretty sturdy. These fence posts aren't quite plumb. They're slightly off of plumb. That's one of the reasons there's a larger gap at the top than at the bottom. But over time, it's going to sink and the weight of the gate will help pull them together. So I'm not too worried about that. Did use a nice heavy latch. Could have went with a locking one, but this was so much easier to install, as you probably saw in the video. We have some nice heavy duty 6-inch hinges because I wasn't sure on the weight of this particular gate. The size hinges, I like the look of them. Overall, pretty well. It swings nicely on the in-swing, and we have a good open area. It's going to be right between two of our blueberry rows, so it shouldn't interfere with our crops at all. And I'm not not too concerned about overswing because of using these slightly rounded posts. I can do a little bit of an overswing, and this berm from the road prevents it from swinging out too far, so I don't need a catch plate or a stopper. Now we'll show you the rest of the fence real quick for concluding. As mentioned, always get out, grow something today, and may God richly bless you. This has been a task. It's definitely been an undertaking, taken longer than I expected, but overall, I'm really happy with it. Learned a lot. It's my first full-length fence to put in this way. We'll be putting in another one between the southern beds here and the rest of the yard, probably early spring before planting. Next week, we're going to be putting in our garlic for winter garlic. Look forward to that. Putting in about 1,000 plants. So definitely an undertaking there. So over here, we did not attach it to the neighbor's garage. Instead, we put our post right up against it. With pulling it, it slightly bent it out, but not too worried about it. These clips were definitely easy to work with, and I like them. They're pretty secure. And then our other length here, it goes all the way down, as you can see. And then we did attach it with some wires to this chain link fence separating the parking lot next door and the backyard. We did do that. We do have a corner post here still as well. So get out, grow something today, and may God richly bless you. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button and the like, thumbs up, the bell, you'll get notifications. I try to upload a video every week. As always, you can leave a comment and get a hold of me here, or you can check me out on Facebook. I'm also on Facebook. So have a good day. This is Timothy Holt signing off.